This is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'll be showing you how to make Daing na Bangus Inihaw. In English, this means grilled marinated milkfish. Bangus is considered the national fish of the Philippines, as it is featured prominently in Filipino cuisine. The milkfish is marinated in vinegar, garlic, and salt, then fried until golden brown. It is commonly eaten as breakfast dish with egg and garlic fried rice. My twist on this very popular dish is I'm going to grill it instead of frying it. Here are the ingredients: 1 whole boneless milkfish butterflied, a cup of white vinegar, 6 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, and olive oil. First, we're going to mix the vinegar, the salt, and the ground pepper. Then we're going to whisk it until the salt dissolves. Afterwards, we're going to mix in the garlic. Now we're going to put the fish in the pan and pour the marinade all over it. We're going to flip the fish over so it's flesh side down so it can better absorb the marinade. We're going to cover the fish in foil, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator to marinate for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. After marinating overnight, we're going to take the fish out and pat it dry with a paper towel. Now we're going to add some olive oil to both sides of the fish. Now we're going to put the fish skin side down on a hot grill. We're going to grill the fish 3 to 5 minutes per side. After 3 to 5 minutes, we're going to flip the fish over. And here's the finished dish. Like its fried counterpart, is best eaten with rice, along with some tomatoes and fish sauce. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.